Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 47 is types of bread. White bread, white bread, wheat bread, wheat bread, whole grain bread, whole grain bread, rye bread, rye bread, hot dog bun, hot dog bun, hamburger bun, hamburger bun, croissant or croissant, croissant or croissant, Swiss roll, British English, jelly roll, American English, Swiss roll, British English, jelly roll, American English, pretzel, pretzel, bagel, bagel, donut, donut, roll, roll, breadstick, breadstick, French bread or baguette, French bread or baguette, pita, pita. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.